Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and thank you so much for always coming back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make bleach step by step and save a lot of money. I only spent 365 Kenya shillings to buy this product, and this chemical is going to make 10 liter of bleach. 10 liter of bleach. You're going to save a lot of money when you make your own bleach or cleaning products at home. So watch this video till the end and see how I make it step by step for my own bleach at home. There are two types of bleach: the one that is already in liquid form and this one that is in powder form. I like going for this one so that I can make it from scratch and also just produce more. The other one that is in liquid form, you just take the liquid, then you go home and add water. So according to your preference, you will see which one you like. So I bought this product at the OTC. In between the Quickmart supermarket, there's a lot of chemicals shops there that you can buy products, cleaning products, and make it yourself at home. You can also start a business with this. My previous bleach took almost a whole year to 10 months, so that because I made almost 15 liters of it, it took me so long to finish it. So if you only use 365 shillings to make 10 liters of bleach, that is a good business you can start. So watch this video till the end, give it a like and share it to your friends who would want to start a business or just make bleach at home for themselves. So you'll start off by putting on protective gear. Those are gloves, masks, and also open the windows and the doors because of the fumes that comes out from these chemicals. I have my gloves on and I kinda forgot to put on my mask, but I did have it around in the house, but all my windows and doors were open because of the fumes and the smell that come from these chemicals. So be sure to put on your gloves, your mask, and open all the doors and the windows. I'll just go ahead and start mixing. All these bleach are in powder form, so I'll just pour all the powders in a clear bucket, then I'll mix them all together. after stirring it for a few minutes, you'll go ahead and add perfume to it. Then you'll continue mixing it well with the perfume. By the way, not all the powders will dissolve, so you'll just stir and stir and stir. Then after that, you will leave it for about 3 days. Yes, not all the powders will dissolve. You'll just stir for a few minutes, add your perfume, continue stirring with the perfume so that it will mix well, but not all the powders will dissolve. So after a good mixture and stirring it for a good amount of minutes, you go ahead and leave it for at least 3 days, minimum 3 days. I left it for more, about 4 days. Yes, so I'll go ahead and cover it with the lid, then take it to my kitchen and leave it for at least 3 days. So this is the 4th day, and as you can see, this is how it looks. It already looks like the other bleach that we usually buy from the shops and the supermarkets. And as you can see, not all the powder dissolved. As you can see, some have settled down the bucket. So I'll just go ahead and transfer it here where I usually put my bleach after I have made it at home. Yes, and the rest I'll put it in this 10-liter jerry can, and they are usually labeled because I do make a lot of cleaning products at home. This one is the one for jig. It was labeled jig because I did have jig that I had already prepared on the previous year. Yes, so I'll just transfer it to this jerry can. This is 1.5 liter of bleach, and it usually goes for around 600 shillings. This 1.5, almost 500 and something. But as you can see, I have just made myself a 10 liter of bleach, and it only went for 365 shillings. So if you do the math, it is saving a lot of money, and also you can also make money from it by selling it to your neighbors, your friends, and your church members. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and transfer it to this jerry can. And also, if you have a funnel, you can use a funnel to transfer it to the jerry can if your container does not have somewhere to pour. And that is how easy it is to make bleach at home, and it works exactly the same, perfectly the same as the one we buy from the supermarkets and the shops. So just make your own bleach and save a lot of money. Make your own bleach and sell it as a business, and you will be happy with the products. I usually, after I found out I can make my own bleach and all my cleaning products at home, that is what I usually do. I no longer buy bleach, I no longer buy hand wash soap, I no longer buy toilet cleaners, I no longer buy dishwashing soap, because I usually make them at home. So I'm very glad that you have watched this video up to this end. Thank you for watching it up to this point. Kindly like it, share it, and also subscribe to my channel to learn more and more about home living and just homemaking. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Do make your own bleach and comment down below on how you found it by making your own at home or even starting a business of your own. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video.